Hello there, ladies and gents. I always forget to say ladies at the beginning of my videos, except for one of them. Now, welcome to my video. Today, we're going to find out how birds know which way is south. Okay, now many birds even live in America, now known as North America, mainly known as USA or New York. You will notice there are some birds going south. But do you know how they get there? This is how. When birds fly south for the winter, they can tell direction by where the sun is during the day. At night, they use star patterns in the sky. Birds may also find their way by sensing the Earth's magnetic field. Wow, could you know birds could do that? It says only magnemite and magnetite could do that. Wow. Yeah, magnemite and magnetite are electric type of monsters look like magnet. Oh, that's a perfect Pokemon. Is it Pokemon or Pokemon? And magnetic field like a compass. Well, you don't know then like one, like a needle. But only when it's cloudy. Now what the hell is this? If it's cloudy, could you well your birds are mysterious. Now don't forget to like or subscribe this video. Please, please do that, and any destructive, any things that are really in this video that you do not like, don't blame me. It's just that I get over tempered sometimes. Now, like, subscribe, see you later.